Okay, New York session live. Sitting on NAS at the moment. Just triggered an area of interest right now, but it's too close to the hour, so I'm going to wait for that. Got the scanner all set up here, but I don't see anything that I like, including NAS. NAS is not really my favorite here. Took GBP Swiss in London down to the H8 breakout level. Took my partials and looking for the second leg. This seems to be the cleanest, but I don't generally trade this in New York, so I probably will skip that if I don't see anything else. Or if I see something else, I'll skip that. GJ, I'm getting a signal here, but not the cleanest price action. I would like this move a lot more if it faked out the previous day high. So right now it has flipped that breakout level, so it's a false breakout on the daily. But since it did not fake out that high, I would like to see this and then get in on that false breakout move. But if it does not fake out the high, then I'm looking for the trend reversal. And the trend reversal here, previous day low is way down here. So can't take this on the daily. It has to be a H8 move. But I do like that it's all bearish here, breaking out below previous week low, breaking out below previous month low. But I think with this sort of price action, since we don't have that rejection, I would rather wait for a pullback. So maybe in the next hour, maybe I'll see if there's a retracement here to take it down to at least this fake out level. But since we're in breakout on the higher time frames, I might look for a bigger move. USDCAD, I really like these cycles: trend reversal, weak trend reversal, trend breakout, H8 trend breakout. But this is such ugly price action, so I'm actually looking at a possible breakout trade below previous week low. What I don't like is that it did not fake out any level over here. So like I say, the only levels that exist are breakout levels and peak levels in my trading. And so we have a peak level here. We do not have one down here on this time frame. I have one on a lower time frame on the H4, but I'd rather get that daily one here in order to take this breakout. So my breakout setups, they're a lot cleaner, or I have more confidence to take breakouts if we have that fake out before taking it. When you have this fake out over here, then I know that there's stops underneath it. So if there's a breakout, all those stops will be taken out. So this move got pushed down and then it got rejected. So that's why these sort of breakouts are the best when they're coming from a bullish fake out. If I want to take it down, I want to see it in the bar flow, a bullish fake out. Those are always going to be best. Like here, you have a bullish fake out on the weekly. And so when it gets underneath that level, then you have a nice breakout. And generally that's going to be how where the best breakouts are going to be. And so since we don't have a fake out here, it's not really the best one, in my opinion, at least not a mechanical setup. That would be more discretionary. Anyways, nothing that I really like. So I am looking at NAS, but the more I look at NAS, the less confident I am in it. I'm looking for a buy, but now we're below previous month low, so I do need it to get back above. And if it gets back above, it'll flip that H8 breakout level. That would be a false breakout. We'd be back above previous month low, but we did react right at that weekly breakout level, which is not the best sign, such a strong reaction. So if I take the trade, I would target that breakout level. Okay. Anyways, I can guess what it can do. I'm just gonna wait for the new hour. Don't see anything right now. Let's actually see the other indices here. Last bearish, last bullish. This was a counter trend breakout. Failed. Better move would be up here. So we have that fake out here, the bearish fake out here. So this would be a nice breakout trade if it can get back above here. The 30 is not too bad. I don't like the H8 breakout level. H2 is also too high up. Breakout reversal on the weekly. Nikkei, I took a nice one in Asia, and then I was looking for a buy. This timing is a little bit different. The H8 closes in 12 minutes here. So this would be the new breakout level. And actually, this would be nice if we can get back above here. Just going to set this. Might go with Nikkei. But I'll double check because everything is bearish at the moment. Yeah, okay. Waiting till 9 and then I'll reassess. Okay, now it's not really doing anything. Got the alert here, but I think USDCAD is pushing down. So I'll have a look at this. 40 minutes until the 2-hour close. 2 hours in a range. I think I'll see what this wants to do. Yep, so I'm going to wait on USDCAD. NAS not doing what I want. Yep, so I'm going to switch this over to USDCAD. Okay, here we go. The H2 bar closed below previous week low. I want to see a pullback and some sort of entry pattern here for me to take this down. Closed in breakout. It would be ideal for this to come up and fake out the high over here. It's a 2-hour bar, so I should be looking at the 2 minute. Hold on. Okay, so here we got the 2 minute. So I'm looking for one of these patterns here, these continuation patterns, reversal pattern, continuation pattern, or a pullback pattern. So I want to see one of those on the 2 minute or the 15 seconds. So I'm trading the 15-minute bar on the 15 second. So if I see this pull back, then I can take a trade. But the cleaner setup would be on the 2 minute. I don't think anything else. So NAS is not doing what I want it to do. We're at the last bearish breakout level. So if it's going to go back up, should be doing it anytime soon. GBP Swiss still going down, but very slowly. GJ a little bit ugly. It's one of the setups, but not my preferred one. GU pushing up. EuroCAD. So I don't see it immediately. USDCAD, I see it immediately. So I guess I'm just going to wait for this. Okay, price pulled back. So we have the breakout level here. Pulled back, got up above. Was looking for a fake out retracement, didn't do that. And now we have a new breakout. So the breakout level got pushed up, but it did not fake out this previous M5 high. So I can't take this one just yet. I need to see a breakout of the previous M5 low, which is probably around here, hidden behind this white text. So the entry will be down here. Right now, this would be an aggressive entry. Could still take this one, but it's a lot better to have a rejection at the top. So waiting for this to go. So I'll probably just get in at the low of this H2 bar. Okay, here we go. So switched over to the H1 and the M1 breakout. Price flipped it, faked out the high. This is a fake out retracement on the M15. If we can close below here, then this is a retracement breakout. So this could be an entry as long as we close below. M5 breakout levels right here, so might as well wait for the M5 breakout level to flip, and then I could take an entry here. So again, these are simple entry patterns. This is a pullback one. On the M1, I'm looking at this pattern. On the 15 seconds, we have the breakout level here. This is a reversal pattern if it can get below. If it doesn't, then this is continuation up. But yeah, just need this to cross. Okay, here we go. Price came up, flipped the M15 breakout level, did not come up and fake out the high, so I'm looking for a closure below this low. On the 15 seconds, same thing. Here's the last bullish breakout level. We have a counter trend breakout here. And since we're so close to that M15 low, I'm just going to wait for closure below here. Okay, here we go. Closure and looking for a continuation. Below the 15. Okay. Got in. And stops are above the H1. Stops above the previous H1 high. And target is first target 3 months breakout level. This is a counter trend breakout. So that's the first target. So 1.2R. And let's see if I can spot second target here. Well, I think that's the only one I can see at the moment. So if I don't get that, then I would look for a move to the 3 months low, which it already has broken out, counter trend breakout. So then I guess I would just look to hold to the next level here. And that's it. Okay, that's it for New York session. GBP Swiss almost completed that move. NAS didn't do what I wanted it to do. Once it got below the previous month low, we're in breakout on the monthly. And there's mixed bias, mixed cycles here. And that's it. Didn't look at anything else. GJ didn't move. And that's it. End of my session, just taking one on USDCAD. Okay, USDCAD came down and now exited right at that 3 months breakout level. So there you go, done. And moving on, Asia.